Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. Sharpen your stock market skills by competing in the largest trading tournament in town. Now, how to register for TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023? Now, first of all, you need to go to our website, and then once you enter into our website, there's an event courses section button. You have to click into it, and then you will see this TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023, and then you select. So after you select, you have to scroll down a little bit, and then you need to click this join now for this trading tournament. And then once you click join now, you will see this select which season. Of course, now it's season 1. You select season 1 stock trading tournament under upcoming competition. Okay, so here under upcoming competition, and then you give your portfolio a name and other info like portfolio capital, broker. It will be auto filled once you select which season. So after filling in the details, please click create portfolio. And then once you created your portfolio, you can click which stock that you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy on any particular stock, you click buy, select which stock under ticker, and then the price, it will be automatically filled for you, and then you can select the quantity that you want, and then you click buy button. Same goes to sell, just that very similar procedure. You click sell, and then the price will auto fill as well. You click the amount or quantity that you want to sell, and then you click sell button. Now, I know it's a bit confusing if you have not access to our website before. Never mind, I show you live now. Now, first of all, if let's say you are not in this page, you are in our web page like that, okay, then you can click this one, event courses. So you click TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. So you scroll down a little bit, you click this one, join now. Okay, you click join now, and then of course, because previously I already registered, so I can't click the upcoming competition. But if you have not registered for this competition, you will see an upcoming competition, and then you just select season 1, give your portfolio a name, and then all this portfolio capital and broker will be auto filled, and then you create portfolio. Because I've already created, so I can't create another one now. So basically it looks like this. Okay, after you created your portfolio, it will be something like this. You'll see that you'll be given a virtual capital of 100,000. Okay, 100,000, and then let's say you want to buy a stock, so you click buy, select the stock that you want. For example, if let's say you want to buy stock which is lesser than 30 cents, you can't buy, because one of the rule for this competition is to buy stocks above 30 cents. So let's say AHA is below 30 cents, I click. Okay, it will tell you that the price is out of the allowed range for this competition, and then so you can't select AHA lah. So let's say this one, 85 cents. So if let's say you are a pro account or free account or hobby account right now, because after market close, you can only buy using end of day data. So the price closed at 85 cents today, so you can only buy at 85 cents. So you select the amount that you want, let's say 10,000 units. Okay, so it will show you the order value, the breakdown of the order value, and then you just buy. Okay, and then this will be your equity curve. Okay, this one, net liquidity, will be your equity curve. So after some time, after 5 weeks of this competition, you will see that whether your equity curve is on an uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. Okay, if let's say on an uptrend, of course it means that you make money. On a downtrend, you have to reflect how come you lose money after 5 weeks. On sideways trends, you need to look at where is the room for you to improve. Now, let's say after you bought it and then you want to sell it, same procedure, just that you click sell. Okay, and then for the price, it's already fixed for you. You can only select the quantity that you want to sell. Let's say you don't want to sell all. Okay, you want to sell half, you can click half. Or you want to manually type in any quantity that you want. Let's say you want 8,000, also can. Okay, so it will also show you the breakdown, and then you click sell. Okay, clear. Okay, very simple, very easy.